Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Roanoke local and long-distance movers near me. When you need to find a cheap Roanoke moving company, 3 Movers is the right option. We make it easy to move, no matter how much you're moving or how far it needs to go. Our team specializes in local and long-distance moving services for homeowners, renters, business owners, veterans, and students. With our long-distance moving services, you gain access to packing services. The right packing services can provide a very convenient move. Moving supplies. Our supplies make it easy to protect your belongings throughout your move. An on-time move. With movers from our team, you don't have to worry about any type of delay on moving day. Upfront pricing. You get accurate pricing with an estimate from us. Licensed and insured. We ensure all your things are well protected throughout the entire move. Choosing to move 1 state over, 2 states over, or across the country means a lot of work to relocate. It can become too much to handle. With the help of a professional moving company, you won't have as much to worry about. We take the stress off your plate so you can focus on other parts of your move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Roanoke moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.